Yo guys, I'm Games&Vlogs here, and we are looking at some lighting. What? Yeah.
Unbelievable. Good girl for coming back on time.
Look how long it's going to do it if we come to real
What's the solar flash in front of
watch
you?
it, watch it. Unbelievable.
Where's it coming from?
Down there.
We're like out in the caravan. Just watch it, we go, yeah.
Just watching Queen.
Get your coat on. Oh, hey, honestly, this is worth watching.
That's if it does it again.
It's done it 3 times.
I saw a flash outside the window and I thought it was. Did you see them people again, Lily? No?
What people?
That man that shouted at you?
No.
No.
I told her to ring me if she saw it.
Well, have a look. Come on, I'm going back to home.
Keep watching, honest.
I'm cold.
We'll do it any minute now. Any second now. I said put your coat
I
on.
know, but I'm watching this with our Queen. Lily, if you don't want to watch this, you can watch telly with John in his bedroom.
Come on, right, and do it again.
My God, it was beautiful colours. If I don't look at this, I've got it on camera.
Have you?
Yeah, like I'm recording it. So if I'm talking to you,
I
I'm
wish
on
I'd have
sick.
taken a photo of the night of that.
Keep watching.
That was unbelievable.
There.
Ooh!
See it?
Yeah!
That's unbelievable.
Wow!
Unbelievable, guys, man. Unbelievable.